Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do number 771, Joules and Stones. It's an easy level LeetCode problem, and the language we're going to use to solve it will be in JavaScript. So it was a fun one. It took me a second to understand what it's going to be asked though. So basically, you get you take in joules and stones. So you get a string of joules and string of stones. And inside of this, you have each character. And you see that there's 3 of these inside of stones. So lowercase a is here once, and then uppercase A is in there twice. So that'll be 3 in total. And so the second one, lowercase z, there's none of it. So output is 0 and it's case sensitive. So basically, how we're going to do this, we got to keep track of every characters inside Joule strings and match it with the stone strings. And a good way to do this is to create an object. So let me do the pseudocode. So first thing you want to do is create an object, create map object. And next we're going to create a variable object to hold the output, create output variable. Okay, so that's just to get started. And next we'll have to loop through the joules string. And as we're looping through, what we will need to do is that we'll need to put every character of this inside our map object. So we put every character, put each character of joules inside of map. And basically how we do that is that we set the value equal to true. So that's how we're going to do that inside of the loop. So now this map object has all the values that we need from joules. And next we have to loop through the stones string. And I see that we create condition if the value of the index is true inside the map of the map. And then if it's true, increment output if true. So that will match it as we wanted. And lastly, we'll have to return output variable. Okay, so first we create the object map. Next, we create the output variable. And it starts at 0. Afterwards, we loop through the joules string. Okay, and inside of this for loop, we will have to update the map. So we have to do map joules so that will get the value and we get true. And now we do the next loop for let j equals 0, j is less than stones dot length j plus plus. Now we have a condition if I'm going to change this to stones and change that to j is equal to true. So if it's inside that object, we will increment the output. And lastly, return. Let's check. Nice. So the complexities, the time complexity will be O of n since we're doing loops, but these aren't nested. And also the space complexity will be O of n because we have to create this hash table to store everything. Thank you.